and installing a 3D printed LCG battery tray from Singing Birds, which helped to lower the battery as close to the chassis as possible. Welcome to Big Song Hobbies. On my previous video, I focused on weight redistribution and lower center of gravity by focusing on swapping the position of the much heavier battery to the front end and the lighter ESC to the back. It resulted in 2% shift to weight redistribution, going from 54% to 56% front weight bias and lowering the overall weight by 5 grams. While making the changes, I lowered the CG by removing unnecessary parts, the ESC tray and the battery tray, and installing a 3D printed LCG battery tray from Singing Birds, which helped to lower the battery as close to the chassis as possible. Since the video, I have quite a few people asking me what if they don't have access to a 3D printer, what should they do? So I wanted to do follow up with a quick Q&A video as there are a few options. But whichever option you go with, you need to make sure that the body mount and the shock mounting position are still available. So keep that in mind. Option 1. Purchase a 3D printed LCG battery tray from eBay. On eBay, there is a seller selling the 3D printed LCG battery tray with 2 wire connectors as a bundle. It's reasonably priced, so it should be a good option for you. I'll make sure to include the link to it in the description. Option 2. Use the existing ESC tray. If you don't want to purchase one, then another option is to just use the existing ESC tray. It already has the body post mount and the shock mounting positions. The downside is that the battery will be sitting higher, and it doesn't help with lowering the CG. But the plus side is that it requires minimal change, and you still help with the weight redistribution by moving the heavier battery to the front and the lighter ESC to the back. You can reuse the battery strap. Option 3 is a hybrid solution. This option is the more aggressive option and requires some cutting of both the ESC tray and the battery tray. You still need the body mount and the shock mounting position that the ESC tray offers. So you will cut off here and then cut off a piece of the battery tray and mount it using zip ties. This is what some of my friends have done. The negative side is that you do need to cut and modify the trays to make it work. But the positive side is that you do help lower the CG and doesn't cost any additional money. Hope the Q&A is helpful for those that were looking for some other options to mount the battery up front. Please like and subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching Big Song Hobbies.